myself Sri KG from class 5th in Navajyoti Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to teach you about parts of speeches in English grammar. The parts of speeches are main part in English. So let's learn. There are 8 main parts of speeches. All the words in a sentence can be divided into these 8 parts of speeches. So let's learn about what are the 8 parts of speeches. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjunction. So let's learn it one by one. First one is noun. And noun is a naming word. It's a name of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, this is a boy, this is a girl, this is a dog, this is a cat. Okay, these are the examples. So next one is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in a place of a noun. For example, this is a beautiful girl. Do your work on your own. Okay, next one is adjective. An adjective is a part of speech that describes a quality of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, this man is honest, so honestly. Rahul is a smart boy. Okay, next we will go through a verb. A verb is a part of speech that makes action. How many actions are there? Yes, there are so many actions like crying, skipping, jumping, sleeping, barking. So many are there. You can do it in your home also. So I will give you some examples. The baby is crying. The dog is barking. Like that. Next we will go through adverbs. Adverb and meaning of a verb. For example, the dog is eating slowly. How can a dog eat like now slowly is an adverb. Okay. Next one, next example is the boy is screaming loudly. How can a boy scream? Like ah, like that. The boy scream. So loudly is an adverb. Okay. Next we will go through preposition. A preposition is a part of speech that shows a location, places or describe a time or anything. For example, the dog is sleeping under a tree. Under is an example of preposition. Next one is example. For example, next one, keep a book on your table. On is an example of preposition. Okay. Next we will go through conjunction. A conjunction is a joint word, group of word or curses. For example, Sita and Geeta are sisters. And is an example of conjunction. Okay. Next, Rahul and Johan is playing. And is an example of conjunction. Next we will go through last one. That is interjunction. An interjunction is a part of speech that feeling an expression or emotion. Okay, like when we go through, for example, I am going to a park, like going to the park. So one boy come faster and pitch me. So I will give, it's hurt. Hush, hooray, surprise. Like that is a known as interjunction. For example, hooray, we won the game. Woohoo, I passed the test. Hush, he's gone. Like that, no? So, it's an example of interjunction. So guys, I hope you all like my videos and do subscribe my channel and enable the bell button for further updates. Thank you.